Hey everybody, welcome back to Mrs. Rattlecan's house. I am James and we are almost live from my workshop, which is currently in window trim paint stripping mode. And guess what? For the most part, we're done. I say for the most part because, stuff like this is never done. This is the window trim off of all of the windows in our house. There are 3 different kinds of wood. I should rephrase that. These front 4 pieces, I think, is the same kind of wood. I just think it's a different grade. I think they picked it out just because of these great big cathedral looking grain lines. That and $6 will get you a crappy cup of coffee somewhere. That's my thought. The rest of this is from here all the way back to here is the same sort of wood. It's fairly soft. It sands off to an orange color of sawdust. I guess I could show you. You get this red color all over everything, of course. And it's pretty soft. Now the wood in the back, my best guess, it is a maple. It is much heavier. It is much harder. It just looks and feels like maple. So now we get to go through and kind of decide what we're going to do with these little doers here. Oh, that's my finger. There we go. These guys. I've got a number of them, and I just don't know if I want to try to go in and dig every one of those out, because then I have to fill it in with wood putty, and then I have to try to match the wood putty. Or do we realize it's window frames from a house that's half a century old? And do we just go with that? At the moment, I don't know. I've got to tack cloth all of this, and then I'm going to take a rag with some naphtha on it to get that last little bit of stuff out of there. And then while I'm doing that, we of course get to do this, because it was decided that the crown molding, the trim, all of that from the Asian room wanted to be its natural color. So that's what we're going to do, because a project's not fun unless it's kind of just not a last minute, but an unexpected one as you're kind of wrapping one up. So anyways, that's what's going on here. Has been going on for most of the week, and will continue on throughout the week. And hopefully we will get this mess done, and we can start getting these put back into place, because we still got a lot of crap to do. Anyways, I hope you guys are having a great weekend. Cheers.